Chevy Pro stock truck. HW drag racers. These are almost identical variations, except one is gray with pink badgers there, and the other one is gray with silver badger. Yep, they're not much different. Other than that, the colors are not much different either. I think this might be a little bit darker than this. This looks like, yeah, that's what that is. This is gray, and that's blue. You see there? Yeah, there's another different color difference between one and the other. I think this was just gray all together. Yeah, that's what it is. This one's gray, and that one's yellow. See? Yellow and gray. Interesting.